Good morning. I'm Cher Johnson. Welcome to my happy place. I always have to put this here so that I remember to tell you. This is the cover. This is a pattern for the cover that I did on mine, and a few little stitchy things. I'm going to put these in my book page tabs or something or other. You can get this for free on my Ko-fi site. Link in the description. Also join my Facebook group, link in the description. Please hit like and hype the video. Also today, I just wanted to tell you that this lady, Sharon Boggin, this is her book. I believe she has a new book coming out, and she recently posted a video. I'm going to link to it. Please go visit her. She has 2 new videos out, and I want you to go visit her and comment, like. This is the stitch we're going to do now, this triangular feather stitch. Then we're going to do a fly stitch. So I did my, first of all, I have a chenille needle, a number 20 chenille needle, and I have this, this is Sue Spargo Pearl Cotton number 3. The color is 61 Granny. In her book, they always show the stitches going upside down. I don't stitch that way. So sometimes I have a hard time, mostly figuring out how to show you guys. So it starts like a regular feather stitch. We're going to do 2 to the left. And I have my triangular dots there to help guide me. So 2 to the left. Then the next one to the right is going to start here, and we're going to skip that dot and go up to the next dot. Okay, and make a big triangle. Then 1 to the left, and another to the left, and then a big long one to the right. I think this is going to look really cool as a crazy quilt seam treatment. Because look, you have all this space in here that you can fill in with something. And then more space with the feather stitch. Okay, 2 to the left. And 1 big, long, triangular one to the right. Okay, I'm going to go to the back and just end this one off. Then we're going to do a fly stitch. Okay, I have some other thread here. It's number 57 Iris. This is also from Sue Spargo. This is a pearl cotton number 5. That's the color is Iris. So a fly stitch goes like this. Go to the side, just kind of like a feather stitch. but more in the center. But we're just going to go like this to the back. And that's the fly stitch. So you can do a really short, like no tail, or a long one like I did the first one. I use these a lot for leaves. Let's just do a fly stitch leaf here. Just going to do a very short little straight stitch in the center, and then I'm going to start on one side of that straight stitch, and I'm going to go in here opposite that and up around. There's the first fly stitch. Then I'm going to go back here to the side, here to the side. Not very even, but you get the point. Let's do one more little fly stitch. In her book, there are other variations. There goes Mitzi. There are other variations of the fly stitch. I'm not going to put any in. I mainly just use it for leaves. Okay, I'm going to end this off, and then we're going to do some French knots. Okay, I had to search for a... This is a milliner's needle, and this is, I don't know, thread that... It's an Ort, something that was just sitting on my desk. So a French knot goes like this. Hold it, the thread to the side, and wrap the needle around, wrap the thread around the needle. Can't very well wrap the needle around the thread. And then pull that tight, not too tight because you still have to get the needle through the thread. And that is a one wrap French knot. You can also do 2 or 3 wraps. Pull it tight, hold it down. That's a 2 wrap French knot. Now, you can also do this kind of thing. If you do 2 wraps and then don't tighten it and just hold it down, you get this loopy sort of thing. And those are fun. So I've seen this worked a lot for in green for moss. If you put a lot of, you can put a lot of different greens in there, and yeah, makes really cool looking moss. Okay, I'm going to end that off and then see what we're going to do next. Okay, the last stitch that we're going to do today is a herringbone, because I don't really know if I want to... She has a lot of variations of herringbone. I don't know if I want to do all of them. I started in the wrong spot. Because I'm right-handed, I work this from left to right, and the needle goes in from right to left. So I drew in 2 lines. You can do imaginary lines, but it just goes like this. And this one to end off. You can see that I started sort of in the middle between those 2 lines. I'm just going to go between those 2 lines to the back to end off. And that's our herringbone stitch. And that's all we're going to do for today. Thanks for hanging out with me. See you soon. Bye.